Hi, Divas. It's Trinity the Tuck.
And I am Manila Luzon.
And this is Hoot or Scoot, where our jaw is nonstop dropped at the natural world.
Category is swallowed whole. The Basking Shark. She likes to bask in the glory of all of her sharkness. And she swallows things whole because, well...
I feel like it's going, hey! Hey! It's yelling under the ocean. Hey! See, look. Hey!
It looks like she's yawning. It's actually...
Yep, I just see that sound coming out of the shark. Hey! Why? I don't know. In spite of the fact that they're huge, they are only eating plankton.
Oh, so they're harmless to me.
Yeah, they're harmless. They would love you to come near them as they go.
Harmless unless you're a plankton.
Yeah, I'm hooting it. I mean, it's over here, like yelling under the water.
Do it again.
I love it. I love it. I just imagine that voice coming out of it underwater.
Yeah, I'm gonna hoot this one too because this one's harmless.
It has no teeth. Look at it.
So double hoot from us. We have the cassowary.
Oh my gosh, the mouth?
Gulp, gulp.
That
gulp.
thing just disappeared.
Oh, it's sliding
my
all the
goodness.
way down. Okay.
Gagged.
And one of the benefits of eating this fruit, it actually helps the rainforest because when the cassowary poops out the fruit, it poops out the seeds, which then fertilize all around the rainforest floor.
Oh, girl, she has a green thumb, even though she has no thumbs.
So I'm going to give this one a hoot.
I would say a hoot, too. I feel like if I didn't, it would hurt me. I'm so excited about this one. This is a quokka.
Oh.
I've actually met a quokka, and they are in Down Under.
Oh, Australia.
It's in Australia,
Oh.
and I believe that they're marsupial.
So cute. The quokka actually swallows their food whole
Okay.
and then sometimes can regurgitate the food again and then it'll eat it again. Well, quokka, I'm going to give you a hoot because you are so cute that I don't even care if you throw up on me and then eat it right off. Quokka, just don't throw up in my wig. Thank you.
Oh, I love quokkas. I'm hooting it.
Such a cute little animal.
Very cute. Hoot, hoot, hoot. Now we have the Japanese tree frog.
Oh.
What? Oh, ouch.
See, frogs will eat anything as long as it's in range of its mouth. And this is one of those queens that will take any gig that comes along.
Yeah, the one that should be retired.
Should be retired, but it's all...
She's working for $30, not even $50.
$30.
$30.
For tips, girl.
And she is doing 3 doubles in her shows, plus emceeing,
Picking out the cash.
plus staying afterwards to
Take pictures.
take pictures for free. I'm gonna root for the underdog, and I'm gonna say hoot.
Yeah. There's nothing wrong with, taking every opportunity. So, a hoot.
Yeah.
Up next, we have the veiled chameleon.
No, 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 no. Whoa. It's coming out of the hole in its mouth?
Yes.
Like a hole within the hole of its mouth.
Mm-hmm. Can't you see the veiled chameleon
No.
doing a drag number to like a Kiss song?
No. She's pretty until she opens her mouth.
Oh, she's one of those drag queens.
She's one of those drag
She's
queens.
one of those drag queens. Gorgeous. Until
Beautiful.
she opens her mouth.
She opens her mouth.
That tongue on this creature can extend 1.5 times the length of its body.
It reminds me of those little toys that you would play with as a kid, the sticky things you would
Little
throw.
sticky hand.
Yeah.
I'm gonna hoot the veiled chameleon. It's a beautiful creature. All the colors and I think a little extra talent.
I'm gonna hoot the veiled chameleon too. I think she's beautiful. The colors are beautiful. The tongue is kind of terrifying, but
Kinda.
she's very talented.
Yeah, very talented. And that's Hoot or Scoot. Protect the planet, dolls, and stay fierce.